Hey there, crafty friends! Welcome back to RaniCrafts DIY. Today we're diving into a super cute and colorful project, our August calendar. Get ready for fun doodles, bright colors, and a whole lot of creativity. What theme would you choose for your August calendar? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your ideas. Whether you're planning your month or just love decorating your journal, this design is going to make your days extra happy. So grab your markers, your favorite snacks, and let's get crafting. And hey, if you love fun DIYs like this, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and share it with your artsy besties. Let's make August adorable together. And that's our adorable August calendar. All done! Wasn't that the cutest little project? If you had fun, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a kawaii craft with me. Hit that like button, leave a comment to tell me your favorite part, and share this video with someone who loves cute DIYs as much as you do. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you super soon right here on RaniCrafts DIY. Stay creative and keep smiling. Bye!